Okay. Now this time we are going to have variables on both sides, and so again, just a little twist with the same exact process. And so -4 times v plus 5 is equal to -2v minus 6. Okay, we need to clean up both sides as much as possible, so distributive property on the left side is going to give us -4v plus a -20 equals -2v minus 6. I've got to clean up those signs there, the plus and minus 20. I'm just going to make just a negative. So -4v minus 20 is equal to -2v minus 6. And we're back to a problem type that we did in a previous lesson where I could choose to add 4v, add 20, add 2v, or add 6. I'm going to choose to add 20 because it will make my number positive, and I prefer dealing with positive numbers instead of negative numbers. You could do any of those things that I mentioned, and you would still get the correct solution, though. So we're going to have -4v is equal to -2v plus 14. And at this point, we need to get the variables on the left side because the variable is already there, and we'll leave the number on the right. So we have a -2v on the right. We need to add 2v. We're going to get -2v is equal to 14. We see v as being multiplied by -2. We need to divide by -2. We get v is equal to 7. -7. My bad. On to the next. We've got -5 times x minus 7 is equal to 6x plus 2. So distributive property on the left, -5x plus 35 is equal to 6x plus 2. And so I could add 5x, I could subtract 35, I could subtract 6x, I could subtract 2. Any of those will work. I'm going to choose to subtract 2 because it will keep my number positive. -5x plus 33 equals 6x. And so I've got to get the variables to one side and the numbers to the other side now. And so I see that I have a -5x on the left. I want to move it to the right, so I will add 5x. And I get 33 equals 11x. I see that I'm multiplying x by 11. I need to divide both sides by 11. And I get 3 is equal to x. Okay. On to the next. We've got -3 times y plus 4 is equal to 7y minus 22. Distributive property on the left, we get -3y minus 12. You could put a plus -12 and then change it to be minus 12. If that works better for you, I'm just going to go ahead and do it right out of the gate. And again, here I could add 3y, add 12, subtract 7y, or add 22. Any of those would work. I'm going to choose to add 22 because it will make the number positive, and I prefer having the number being positive. So -3y plus 10 is equal to 7y. We want the variables on one side, the numbers on the other side, so I need to add 3y here to move the variables onto the right and keep the numbers on the left. We're going to have 10 is equal to 10y. We see that we're multiplying y by 10. We need to divide both sides by 10 then. And we get y, or 1, is equal to y. One more. We have -3 times y minus 6 is equal to 8y plus 40. Distributive property on the left, negative 3y plus 18 equals 8y plus 40. And so again, we could add 3y, subtract 18, subtract 8y, or subtract 40. I'm going to choose to subtract 18 because it will keep the number positive. Negative 3y is equal to 8y plus 22. And so then we want to move the variables onto the left, so we will subtract 8y. We've got negative 11y is equal to 22. Should have drawn my line a long time ago. And we see that y is being multiplied by negative 11. We're going to divide by negative 11. We got y is equal to negative 2. And that's it for this one.